Everybody fucking jump!
Welcome back to the Ozone, everybody. It's shoe time. Let's get you a little bit of box action. Let it focus. You guys get a good look. This one reads the Air Jordan 11 Retro Black Gem Red White Cell, aka the Air Jordan 11 Low 72 and 10s. Got a whole bunch of these. This is one of the new ducks, because these are sitting everywhere I go. I like them myself. I got a pair for wearing, a pair for staring, and I'm holding on to a bunch of pairs for other people. If you want this shoe, you should be able to pick up this shoe. Now, the reason I picked up this shoe is because it looks like it's patent leather, guys, but it's really not. It's like this some type of synthetic plastic. You can bend this, scratch it or whatever, and it looks good. It stays like this, well, much better than patent leather would. So that's the one big thing I like about this Jordan. Plus, I have the 72 and 11 highs. I mean 72 and 10 highs, I'm sorry. I really like to celebrate that 72 and 10 season. That was one of the best seasons as a Chicago Bulls fan, and Michael Jordan fan. I remember that year. They actually went to 72 and 10 and 1. No offense to the 73 and 9 Golden State Warriors, who did not win the championship, but 72 and 10 season and a win. It's ultimate in my opinion. Red carbon fiber plate. Everybody likes to tap it, smack it for luck or whatever. Let me give you a look at this material, guys. I hope you guys can make this out. It's kind of like the starry material that I don't like. I don't really like glittery things on my feet, but this shoe is an exception. It's a pretty good shoe. Like I said, this material, when you get yours, I won't do that because I want to keep this pair icy. But you can bend this material. It's very squishy and flexible. You can see all tumbled leather. I don't know why you guys are letting this shoe sit. I'm not even a low guy, and I got it because it's just a good shoe. You can match it with anything. 11s, they call these the dress Jordan. So if you want to look like you're at least trying to upclass yourself a bit, you throw these on, a little bit of Prada shorts, some Gucci stuff, you should be good to go. Guys, one more 360. Let me know what you guys think about the Jordan 72 and 10s. Do you have the Jordan 72 and 10 highs? Do you want to see the Jordan 72 and 10 highs? Because I have those as well. How do you feel about these lows? How do you guys feel about shoes sitting again? Oh yeah, before I go again, different than other Jordan 11s, they made the tag in the inside on the back of the shoe gigantorous. I don't know why they did it like that. As well as putting on a plastic Jumpman and a 23 on the back of the shoe. Let me know what you guys think about those changes. All right, let me give you guys a look at the shoe, what it's going to look like on your foot. Guys, remember to comment. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe because we're going to be coming through with some more action. You guys are not going to want to miss the stuff I'm bringing up next on the channel. We know what shoes you want to see next on the channel. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day out there.
Everybody fucking jump!